If you have watched our video about moving to space and how space colonization will work, then you probably know that the thought of colonizing Mars or the Moon makes for some incredibly imaginative stories. Well, it's quite possible that we will make it into reality in the upcoming years. This time, one of the biggest problems with the idea of moon colonization is the question of building supplies. There are no supplies units on the moon, so the building supplies have to come from somewhere. The only place to get supplies right now is Earth, with the space shuttle acting as a truck to get all of the materials for building a house to a construction site. It's incredibly expensive and not very efficient. Asteroids mining may be a much better way to get the supplies. That is what this episode says, why asteroids are important for space colonization. Asteroids are leftover material from the early formation of a solar system or debris from the destruction of a planet. Early evidence suggests that there are trillions of dollars worth of minerals and metals buried in asteroids that come close to the Earth. Asteroids are so close that many scientists think an asteroids mining mission is easily feasible. Some international organizations are developing plans for going up to get these natural space resources. Hard rock minerals could be mined from an asteroid or a spent comet. Precious metals such as gold, silver and platinum group metals could be found, and iron group metals and other common ones could be used for construction in space. There are tens of thousands of asteroids circling the Sun. Most are grouped inside the asteroid belt between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Multiple types of asteroids have been identified, but the three main types would include C-type, S-type and M-type asteroids. C-type asteroids have a high abundance of water which is not currently of use for mining but could be used in an exploration effort beyond the asteroid. Mission costs could be reduced by using the available water from the asteroid. C-type asteroids have a lot of organic carbon, phosphorus and other key ingredients for fertilizers which could be used to grow food. S-type asteroids carry little water but look more attractive because they contain numerous metals including nickel, cobalt and more valuable metals such as gold, platinum and rhodium. A small 10-meter S-type asteroids contain about 650,000 kg of metal with 50 kg in the form of rare metals like platinum and gold. M-type asteroids are rare but contain up to 10 times more metal than S-types. Even without a manned mission to do a full-scale study of an asteroid, scientists know a lot about what asteroids contain. Astronomers use telescopic spectroscopy, which analyzes light reflected from the asteroid surface to find out what might be there. In addition to iron, nickel and magnesium, scientists think water, oxygen, gold and platinum also exist on some asteroids. Water interests space explorers most because it could help keep a space colony alive. Without water, there is really no way to move forward with human exploration of space. Water could also be broken down into hydrogen and oxygen to form rocket engine propellant. The metal ore on the asteroids could be mined and used for building spacecrafts and other structures for a space colony. One NASA report estimates that the mineral wealth of asteroids in the asteroid belt might exceed $100 billion for each of the 6 billion people on Earth. An asteroid with a diameter of 1 kilometer would have mass of about 2 billion tons. There are perhaps 1 million asteroids of this size in the solar system. One of these asteroids would contain 30 million tons of nickel, 1.5 million tons of metal cobalt and 75,000 tons of platinum. The platinum alone would have a value of more than $150 billion. Few asteroid missions are currently active, some are ongoing and some are planned. Hayabusa 2 is an ongoing asteroid sample return mission that arrived on the target in 2018. OSIRIS-REx is an ongoing NASA asteroid sample return mission launched in September 2016. Phobos Grunt 2 is a planned sample return mission to Phobos that will launch in 2024. Viper rover is planned to prospect for lunar resources in 2022. Asteroids have an amazing potential for industry, but what will it take to find these valuable materials, extract them and process them? In the next part of this video, you will find out how asteroid mining operation works. You will know about mining considerations and extraction techniques. So then that will be it for this video. Stay tuned to the story of why.